What's up, guys? This is Al. Now, today I'm going to be sharing with you one of the most common problems you have if you keep using your cell phone for your personal as well as your business life. All right. So here's the thing. All right, you're giving out your number to everyone if you're a business, if you have a business and you're making sure that your clients can reach you, but you keep giving out your regular cell phone number so you don't know if it's a business call or a personal call when people call because you just gave out your number to everybody. All right, so if the people know you well, then what happens is they're going to be in your contacts, which is great. And so the personal caller ID will come up and you're like, yeah, this is somebody I know. But here's the problem. If you're giving out the phone number to everybody, eventually you're going to have a lot of business calls that come in and you don't know if they're a business client or not. So you don't know how to answer the phone. It's not just hello. It's, whatever your company name is. This is Al speaking. How may I help you? You know what I'm saying? Or whatever your name is. All right. So what we want to do is we want to set up business call ID. Now, the way we do that is very simple. We give you a new business number that forwards to your regular phone. We can set you up with a local number, and it gives you a business call ID. So that means that when the call comes in, because you got this new number, it's going to say your company name, or it can say business lead or new client, and it's going to show up on your phone. And that way, when your personal calls come in, you can be like, "What's up, dude? How you doing?" And then when it's a business call, you can say, "Such and such incorporated. This is Al speaking. How may I help you?" And that's what you do. Now, we got 100% US based tech support. It's 48 hours setup. That's business hours. And then guess what, guys? The price is $30 and it for the setup and $15 a month. Man, I am going to slash this price right now. All right. So what we're doing is this. If you see this video and you're watching this video and you are a subscriber to this channel, or you watch my videos, or you saw the video online, you're like, I want that deal. I want that deal. This is what we're going to do. We're going to make this 20 bucks and we're going to take this down 20% and we're just going to charge $12 a month. All right. Now, all you got to do is click the link near this video. It's not going to be available all over the internet. I'm just letting you know that right now. So it's got to be the link below this video where you saw this deal. And then you're going to be taken to a page like this. It's going to be new pricing and everything. You're going to get the 20% discount for the monthly. And then what happens, we'll set your stuff up within 24 to 48 business hours. You just got to put in your name, your email address, your current cell phone number that you want the calls routed to. And then we're going to set you up with an area code based on what you're selecting for your state. If for some reason it's not available, we'll notify you and let you know, hey, we found the closest one, but that's what's going to happen. And then you just let us know where you saw this at, and then you hit submit. All right, guys, that is it. That is what's going on. If you're not already a subscriber to this channel, we talk about making money online, automation, having that freedom lifestyle, and setting up things so that you have a stress-free life. All right, guys, so subscribe to the channel if you're not already a subscriber. Share this video with a business owner that you know is struggling with this problem, or someone that you know that needs a business line, but they're not trying to pay hundreds of dollars a month for another business setup. They want to use their regular cell phone so they can be on the go, but they want to make sure that they don't lose business clients by answering the phone the wrong way because they don't know it's a business client, and they want to make sure they separate their business and personal. All right, guys, that is it. I think I did a great job on that video. You guys subscribe to the channel. I'll talk to you guys